Namaste, welcome to Sesreka's Kitchen. Today I am making cranberry cucumber dal. It is a simple recipe for everyday cooking. First of all, I have taken 1 cup of masoor dal and washed a couple of times, and I am cooking it on medium flame. You can also use moong dal or tur dal for this recipe. You may cook the dal, cranberries and cucumber all together in the pressure cooker or in the instant pot. But since I am using the masoor dal, it cooks really fast, so I am cooking it on stove top. Add enough water. While the cranberries are cooking with dal, I am going to peel the cucumber and cut it into small pieces. It is Indian cucumber from my backyard. Some people call it lemon cucumber. Now I am adding the cucumber and 2 large green chilies. I am going to grind this seeds portion and adding it to my dal. Here it is. So I am not wasting the nutritious portion of the cucumber. I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder and some salt. Give it a good mix, cover it and cook it on low-medium flame. I heated 1 tablespoon of ghee. You may use oil. When the oil is hot, when the ghee is hot, I added 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes. These are my homemade. A pinch of hing or asafoetida and some garlic, which is also optional. When the garlic is fried well, add the tempering to the dal. Give it a good mix. Adding some curry leaves and continue cooking on low flame until everything is cooked well. Add a handful of chopped cilantro and switch off the flame. Cranberry cucumber dal goes well with rice or millets. Try this recipe and give me your feedback. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. You may find more recipes on my Telugu channel too. The link will be given below. Please follow my Facebook and my website sesrekaskitchen.com. Thank you.